Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about VS Code setup, how to configure VS Code into your system. So first of all, VS Code is an IDE. So let's first get down into the installation part. So this is the official link to download VS Code. You can just copy it and paste into your Chrome, or you can just type into your Chrome VS Code download, and the official link, which is here, you can see download Visual Studio Code. You just have to click this link and you get three options: either window, either Linux, or either Mac. So whatever your OS is, you have to choose any of this according to that option. So mine is Windows, so I'll be clicking on Windows. So here you can see I have installed vscode.exe. So I'll be clicking on into this .exe. So first of all, you have to accept the agreements, and next. So here you can see create a desktop icon. It's up to you if you want to create a desktop icon. Either way, uh, it will be downloaded into your system, and this all are the option. So I would like you all to prefer clicking on this option. So what is this add open with code action? This I'll talk to you after the installation part. So let's do next, and here you can click on install and it will install into your system. In my system, VS Code is already installed, so I won't talk about that much. So let's deep down into VS Code now. Okay. So whenever, for example, I click on this folder, okay, so if you want to open this folder, the option which I talked about, so just have to click shift and right click, and after that you get an option with open with code. So any of the folder you go and you just click and right click, you get an option to open with code. So this is a good UI experience in terms of opening from any for a non-techie or for a beginner to open through VS Code in a easy way. So here in VS Code, you can create a new file through this, and a new text file according to you, and new file, and according to your folder which is already existing, you can click on open file, open folder. All the options are available here, and can save everything. So here the main thing is this is the test folder. So here you also get an extension folder, extension configuration. So here you can see the AI tools, all the configuration tool, all the extension, all the Jupyter notebook. Even you can download the Jupyter notebook. So rather than getting into Anaconda, which is quite hard into hard loaded into your system, so this is a quite extension which you get available into your VS Code. So VS Code, why VS Code? So VS Code is a popular IDE in terms of community, and all the extension you can see this has been uploaded into VS Code. So Cloud Code for VS Code, so it's an easy UI interface, or it's easy to use, uh, highly used through community. So that's one thing. So here you can see I already have a test folder. I'll just run this. You can click on this here you can see the run button. You can click on this and it will run into your system. It has printed hello world. Also you get a terminal option from the UI. You click on the new terminal and it will open new terminal, and you can click on the add terminal. And this terminal, what is this terminal? Terminal is all about short commands through which you can run your configuration and test and all the things, commands, the hash commands. Also about VS Code, you get many options. So for example, this all options I have also downloaded Cloud Code into the system. So whenever you click on this, so this is a AI coding agent. Through this you can actually do a lot of things. This will come up with this in the future videos. The You can just type into anything, hi, and this will configure and read whatever is into your VS Code setup, and also create a file according to what you want to give as a ideas. So turning ideas into outcome, that's the main goal. What AI gives you as per your understanding, it throws the whole output. And the better you give response prompt to AI, the better response or solution you'll get, or better output you get from the AI. So yeah, so that's all about the VS Code setup. So yeah, thank you.